we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Bosch 800 series VeroCafe Espresso machines, right? Looks like both are fully automatic bean-to-cup machines.
Yep, both super automatic, but there are some key differences. The De'Longhi, being a renewed product, already raises a flag, doesn't it?
Good point. The De'Longhi is listed as renewed, which means it's been pre-owned and refurbished. It's also significantly cheaper, so that's something to consider. Think of the savings. Also, it's got 6 one-touch recipes, including iced coffee.
True, but the Bosch boasts 35 beverage varieties through its Home Connect app. Plus, it's brand new. So you get a full warranty and haven't got to wonder about the pre-owned condition. It also has a fancy active select display and aroma settings that De'Longhi is lacking.
Okay, 35 is a lot. But does anyone really need that many? The De'Longhi has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings, which seems pretty customizable, and a traditional milk frother.
The Bosch also has a built-in grinder, but it's a ceramic one, which is supposed to be quieter and more durable. And it has double cup functionality so you can make 2 drinks at once. Super helpful if you're making coffee for you and a partner.
Good call. The De'Longhi is lighter, at 20.8 pounds compared to the Bosch's 21.1 pounds, but I doubt that's a deal breaker for anyone. The dimensions are also slightly different, but not by much.
Right, the Bosch has a slightly larger depth, so you'd want to make sure it fits on your counter. Another thing, the Bosch has a descaling program, Calc and Clean, and it delivers consistent coffee quality with its AromaMax system.
So basically, it boils down to price versus features and condition. The De'Longhi offers a budget-friendly entry into the super-automatic world. The Bosch is more of an investment, but you get more features, a new product, and maybe a bit better performance.
Exactly. And don't forget the Home Connect app for the Bosch. If you're into smart appliances, that's a big plus. I'd say, if you are a coffee lover, it might be worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.